Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn better and faster. First, identify your unique learning style, whether it's visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, to tailor your study methods effectively. Next, practice active recall by quizzing yourself regularly. This strengthens memory pathways. Finally, implement spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals to solidify information in your long-term memory. These foundational steps are crucial for efficient learning. To master study techniques, try the Pomodoro technique, working in focused 25-minute bursts followed by short breaks. This method enhances concentration and prevents burnout. Also, practice interleaving, which means switching between different subjects or topics during a single study session. This approach helps your brain make connections and improves overall comprehension. Lastly, use elaborative rehearsal to link new information with what you already know, creating a richer understanding. Creating an ideal learning environment is key. Start by minimizing distractions, turn off notifications, and find a quiet space. Ensure your study area has adequate lighting and comfortable seating to support long periods of focus without discomfort. Remember to take regular breaks, perhaps every 45 to 60 minutes, to prevent mental fatigue and maintain high levels of productivity. A well-organized and comfortable space significantly boosts your learning efficiency. To sustain your learning journey, prioritize quality sleep, aiming for 7 to 9 hours each night, as it's vital for memory consolidation and cognitive function. Maintain a balanced diet and stay well hydrated throughout the day to fuel your brain effectively. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals. By integrating these healthy habits, you'll support continuous growth and faster learning over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.